Hello, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Minakshi, and I brought a very short speech on the topic Let Your Gentleness Be Known to Everyone to speak in school morning assembly. And the speeches, our words make an impact. Words can start a fire or bring peace. Words can tear down or build up. And this is the power of words. Heartiest morning to each and everyone present here. My name is Minakshi, student of class 5th, standing in front of you to speak on the topic Let Your Gentleness Be Known to Everyone. What is gentleness and why to be gentle? Dear friends, love, joy, kindness, goodness, peace, patience, gentleness, self control, and faithfulness are qualities. And here we are talking about gentleness. Gentleness is the quality of being kind and careful. When we show gentleness towards others, we are showing them love, respect, and creating an environment of safety and trust. And I have to speak on the topic let your gentleness be known to everyone. Dear friends, a gentle person is someone nice, quiet, peaceful, agreeable, and lacking in harshness. Gandhiji said that in a gentle way you can shape the world. Improve your gentleness in all you do, and let your gentleness be known to everyone. Let us consider the gentleness of a deer, aware and alert, yet poised, calm, and peaceful. And this energy teaches us to remember to be tender with ourselves and others. Be caring, nurturing, and loving to ourselves and others. Start with our smile. Smile at everyone. Listen to others actively. Be polite and kind to others. Be mindful of the words we use. Be patient. Speak calmly. Encourage others, express our gratitude, and forgive others. Every single one of us needs to be cared for and to care for ourselves. Let us do everything with gentleness and kindness. And yes, gentleness doesn't make us weak. It actually strengthens our sense of oneness and love. And let's share our gentleness with others to make our gentleness known to others. And here I end. Have a wonderful and joyful day. Thank you.